Hi everybody, my name's Colin and today I'm going to be showing you how to get started trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin. We're going to be using a company called CoinBase and an exchange called GDAX. Now before I get started, I just want to say there will be a link in the description below. That link is my referral to Coinbase. If you sign up using my referral, when you spend your first $100, not only do you get $10, but I'll get $10 of Bitcoin as well. So I would just appreciate it if you find this video useful. All I ask is that you sign up with my referral code. Now to get started, you're going to go to coinbase.com. You're just going to enter your email, click get started, and fill out the form. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and hop over. This is the dashboard that you see once you get signed up. You won't see recent activity because everything will be fresh to you, but you will see the price charts in your portfolio over here. Now, the price charts, you have Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin. You can also change the date range on them, so we can do an hour, a day, a week, a month, a year, or you can look at the all-time, which is sometimes pretty interesting to see the spikes or how it's gone over time. Your portfolio is going to be your actual wallet, so once you start getting cryptocurrencies and storing them through Coinbase, this is where you would see them at. I currently don't hold any of mine through Coinbase. I have mine through GDAX or my other cold storage wallets. So the first thing that I would do after you get signed up to Coinbase is you want to make sure you set up your two-factor authentication. You're going to be having money going in and out of Coinbase, so it's important that your funds are secured. So if you go to settings and you go to security, you can add your phone number, and then I would recommend adding the Google Authenticator app as well. The Google Authenticator app basically has a password that changes every minute or so, which just is an incredibly secure way to keep your Coinbase account and your funds. It's also some ease of mind, at least for me it is. After you have the two-factor authentication set up, it's time to start adding your cryptocurrencies. So you can go buy, sell. I have been working with Litecoin and Ethereum. I haven't really done a lot of Bitcoin, although I think it's also a great cryptocurrency. We'll just play with Ethereum here as an example. So you can click Ethereum. Now you have a couple different ways you can make your purchases. Probably the more convenient way to do it is going to be using a debit card or credit card. When you use your debit card or credit card, it is an instant transfer. However, you are limited in how much you can transfer. So I think if at first you can only buy a couple $100s at a time, so it's not a ton. However, again, it is going to be instantaneously. Now you can also add your bank account, which is going to allow you to make larger purchases, say of a couple $1,000s, but that takes time as well. So I think when I originally added my bank account, it took a few days to verify it with Coinbase, and then after I made my initial purchase, it took about 4 or 5 days, business days, for the Ethereum to show up in my wallet. Now, they do lock in the price, so say as an example, we wanted to buy $500 worth of Ethereum right now. It's about 5.42 Ethereum. So I can make that purchase right now, lock in the price, and then after those 4 or 5 days, they'll tell you when it'll be delivered. It'll just show up in your wallet. So again, the wallet will be on the dashboard here. You can also click accounts and you can see your wallets through this screen as well. But we'll just go back to the dashboard. So it would show over here. We'll say, it might say like 5 Ethereum. Now you're ready basically to start trading. All you have to do is you want to get it sent over to GDAX, which is an exchange. The exchange works with Coinbase. It's actually owned by the same company, so they work together. You can just send your money back and forth between Coinbase and GDAX pretty seamlessly. All you have to do is go over to GDAX, click deposit. You would want to deposit from your Coinbase account. So I don't have any money at Coinbase right now, but we could say I have some Litecoin over there, and we can go ahead and move over, you would say 10 Litecoin, deposit funds, and then I would see 10 Litecoin show up under here. Or if it was US dollars, my US dollars here would change as well. So now you're pretty much ready to start trading. It's on the exchange. You just have to start making your decisions. This might be a little bit intimidating to look at. I know I was kind of nervous at first. You spend some time researching it. These are candle bar graphs. They're pretty easy to understand. You know, right now it's on 5 minutes, so basically that means each one of these blocks is a 5-minute block. If it's red, it means that that 5-minute window ended lower than it started. And then if it's green, it means that that 5-block window ended higher than where it started at. So it's kind of like a line graph, you know, going up and down. At least that's how I look at it. Then you also have this chart right here. I can't remember what this chart is, but it's just like the walls. You know, you have your order book. So this is people wanting to purchase and the prices they are putting their purchases in it. And then these are the people that are wanting to sell. You can zoom it in or out. You know, sometimes you can see like right here, there's some pretty good support. So a lot of people are looking to buy back in at 29, which is awesome. But Litecoin's been doing really good the last few days, so I'm pretty happy about that. Over here, you're going to have the actual order books. So again, the orange is going to be people who are selling their cryptocurrencies. So like right here is an example. We have a little wall. So we have 600 and 6,500. You know, it's moving Litecoin that are trying to be sold. And then down here, we have the purchases. So these are the purchase orders, and we have a spread, which is the difference between the two. So 29.36 for selling, 29.35 for purchasing. We have a 1 cent spread there. You also notice that the 1 cent spread is pretty easy to see in here too. You know, the bigger the spread, the bigger the gap is going to be between the two charts here. And then the trade history are the actual trades that have been going through. Open orders, any orders you have open currently, you know, any longs or shorts you might have going on. And then over here, any previous orders you may have done. So pretty simple stuff. They have Bitcoin, US dollar, euro, and the pounds. For Ether, you can use the US dollar. You can trade it with Bitcoin. And then Litecoin, again, you can use US dollar or trade it with Bitcoin. So say you want to go in and you want to put in an order for Litecoin. We'll do this as an example. So we want to do a limit order, and we want to buy 1 Litecoin. And you know, right now it's at about 29.18. Maybe I can get one at 29.10. So we'll say 29.10. You can calculate advanced if you want to. I don't really mess with this stuff. So you can do it for a certain time frame. You can do it immediately or kill, or fill or kill. Don't really know what the difference between those two is. Sorry. I'm still fairly new myself, although I've had some success with the trading. It's been a lot of fun. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and put that order in, click place buy order. You'll see the order goes in over here, and that'll just stay in until the order gets filled. Now, if it never drops back down to $29.10, then the order will never be filled. If it drops down to $29.10, it'll automatically be filled. I don't have to worry about it. It's kind of a good way to secure your funds. They used to have stop limits on GDAX, but they got rid of those for some reason, so I don't know why they did that. I really like the stop limits a lot. Definitely some ease of mind, but that's okay. The limit orders do just fine too. And so that's it. That's gonna be the gist of everything. Like I said, you know, you can try and time the market. It's difficult. You know, I would read news, learn how to read the charts, watch different YouTube videos, watch people analyzing the charts, learn about the resistant lines and the support lines, and you know, you can have some real success. I personally, you know, started out with $1,600 that I invested in Ethereum, and through some trading and luck and everything kind of exploding, you know, I've turned that into almost $11,000 and growing. Just today I made a trade and profited $300. You know, in less than 24 hours I made, you know, a decision to sell while it was high and buy back in when it was low, and then I sold again when it was high. So you know, it's really possible. There's a lot of things you can do, and there's different exchanges. Again, there's Poloniex, there's Kraken, there's Gemini. I think I would like to use Gemini. However, the state that I'm in, Gemini does not support currently, so I can't really go over, you know, how those ones work. But Coinbase has been great. So you know, I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will do my best to respond to them, because I want everybody to have the same success that I have had within this crypto universe. You know, and it's still new. You know, it's a growing world. The blockchain is a new technology, and it's very exciting, and it's exciting to see where the future will be going. So I hope that you guys again enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, subscribe. Thanks.